secret exposed, the reason why Babe Wodumo performing Mampintsha's new song. Mampintsha made headlines last month after he was caught on camera hitting Babes during an argument at their home. He did not deny hitting the con queen, but claimed that he did so in self-defense. Scores of social media users called for him to face the full might of the law. Mampintsha, who was arrested for assault and released on R2000 bail, issued a public apology and vowed to attend counseling. South Africa, I'm sorry. I know many of you don't want to hear it Kodwa from the bottom of my heart. I would like to send my deepest and humblest apologies. I am in a dark place in Kansima, but I have to face this like a man, he said in a statement. A few weeks after the assault, Mampintsha released a new song, which features words he spoke in a viral abuse video. DJ Tira was also slammed for promoting the song. So number Mampintsha abuses number Babe Wodumo. Number Tira condemns abuse number Mampintsha releases a song with the same words from the ABUSEN number Tira and his wife are jamming to it. One Twitter user wrote, Babes caused a stir on Twitter over the weekend when clips showing her singing the song went viral. So Babe Wodumo now sings along to a song inspired by their exchange on that day. Mampintsha blessed her with slaps. Ihutu she will clearly leave Njibikisi, one Twitter user wrote. Some users accused Babes and Mampintsha of staging the whole attack for publicity. Babe Wodumo and Mampintsha used abuse to market their Kuningalinlini, PR is at its lowest in S.A. One Twitter user questioned whether Babe's contract forces her to perform Mampintsha's songs. Instead of bashing Babe Wodumo, implying that she enjoyed performing that song, I think it's important to establish whether or not she's contractually obliged to perform her songs, which Mampintsha reportedly features on all of them. Let's help her find a way out.
Yeah.